Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anointed, and on this channel I teach you tricks and ways you can earn money online daily. And my goal for this channel is that every of my subscribers must be earning at least 50,000 on a daily basis. So if you think that's what you are interested in, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime I drop a video like this. So in today's video we'll be talking about a website which you can use to earn money, because say now WhatsApp connectors dey hot now, and this website will pay you on a daily basis to just connect your WhatsApp account and just leave it there, and you just come back. You just leave it there, and then when you come back, like you connect it in the morning by 5, you are going to come back by 6 or 7 in the evening. And you are sure you understand me? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So in today's video I will be using the app. Because I downloaded the app from their website. But for you, I will be leaving the website link in the video description. You can just go there and click it, then it will take you to the website. So let me first teach you how to sign up. So to sign up on the website, you just hold on, let me search for the website. To sign up, you just search for I will be leaving the video link in the description, but because I have already registered on the account, I already registered my account on it. When I search for letshare like this, it will open my account. So let me just search for letshare and click on it. You can see it's even open. Okay, let's hold on. You can see it's even open. So I think we are going to be using an Ignito tab. Let's just come to our tab. Let's go Ignito. So let's search for letshare. Click on it, then let's just wait a little bit. Please be patient with me. Network in my area is I'm sorry for that cut off. So now that we have already gone Ignito, so my account will no longer be showing. So you first off, you need to sign up. Click here like this, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm not going to sign up, so you put your email here, or you put your email, you put a password, and make sure it's a password that you remember. You confirm your password, then click on get code here, then you'll be sent a verification code. Then you just copy the code and paste here. So for those of you that will be using your phone number, you just let me cancel this. You click on phone. You click on phone right here. You click on phone, then you come here, you just put your phone number, input your password, confirm your password here, and just get the code. It's still the same. So I'll be logging in. I think I should just create a new one with my email. No, let me just log into my old account. So I'll be using the app now. So okay, now it's loading up. So for those of you that will be signing in newly, your own will be showing sign up, login for WhatsApp like this. Will be showing that way. You can see I have 4 WhatsApp. So if you want to, when you click on, like, you want to add a WhatsApp account, when you click on login for WhatsApp, you just click on this. If your one doesn't have any account, they will be showing a short video tutorial. Like when I click on login, you can see a photo of what you need to do. Now when I click on login for WhatsApp, you want to add your WhatsApp, just click on here, then put your phone number here, then click on get OTP right here. Then you go to your WhatsApp like this. Okay, you go to your WhatsApp like this, then you click on this link. When you click on these three dots right here, then you click on link device. After clicking on link device, you click on link in device. You can see there's a photo tutorial here, so you just click on link with phone number, and then you will enter the code sent to you from the letshare. So if you want to make more money from letshare, you have to invite your friends to join. For me, I've already invited one and I've already claimed the bonus. So for now, okay, let me talk about the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw your money, it's very simple. You just come right here and click on withdraw. Then once your balance is up to 2,000 naira, you just click on this 2,000 naira, 2,200, and you will be sent 2,000. So that's where we'll be ending this video. Bye for now.
Please subscribe.